If your mechanic shop is undergoing a sales tax audit, there are really three things you gotta watch out for. Number one is for all your clients who bring in their own part. If they're bringing in their own part, you have to write down as such on your invoice with a description. Secondly, eBay Motors. Sometimes they don't collect sales tax when they should be. So you're gonna be on the hook for collecting that sales tax. So if you're ordering parts from eBay Motors and you paid tax, you definitely wanna have that visible and in your records that you have tax that was already paid. The last one is resale certificates. In the event that you bought parts from another mechanic shop, if you didn't have something in your inventory that day and the customer needed that part, what you want is to have a proper reseller certificate from that other mechanic shop. Otherwise, you're gonna have to pay sales tax on that as well. So just keep that in mind when you're getting audited for sales tax and you're running anything to do with cars. Thank you.